Have you ever imagined a machine taller than several meters, higher than many skyscrapers, that can still lift thousands of tons of steel into the air without shaking? This isn't science fiction, it's reality.
Met een dakkenproject bezig, we hebben een eigen team.
From European ring crane monsters to the most powerful crawler cranes on the planet, today, we're going to witness machines built to conquer heights humans never dared to dream of. At number 7 is the Liebherr LR11000, the legendary German crawler crane. With a maximum hook height of 222 meters, this machine towers above many TV towers and delivers a 1,000-ton lifting capacity at large radii thanks to its 168-meter main boom and intelligent V-frame counterweight system. Built for installing heavy power plant modules, mega bridges, and industrial structures on tough terrain, the LR11000 stands out visually with its rock-solid chassis that lets it move
einen
and operate
Radius
like a
für den
giant robot.
Derrick-Ballast von 3,
Though it ranks 7th, this crane has proven its real-world power on countless
weil eine
global projects
Baumreihe
and remains a
unseren
true
Radius
symbol of German engineering precision.
dank diesem V-Frame zusammen dafür sehr viel mehr Zeit gebraucht und auch einige
Unmatched stability for extreme loads. It frequently appears on oil refineries, nuclear power plants, and offshore platform assembly jobs. What makes it visually stunning is the pair of massive
Der
parallel
Kran ist
booms
natürlich für
working
diese
in perfect
in der
sync,
Bayern-Raffinerie
giving
sind
the
wir bei
impression
ca.
of double the power.
6800,
One of
Traglast
the strongest
1000
crawler
gehoben.
cranes ever built, it remains the top choice
Nochmal
for
ganz
jobs
deutlich
demanding
dazu
both
sagen.
precision and simultaneous brute force. Number 5 is the Sany SCC6000A, one of China's most powerful crawler cranes, reaching up to 20 to 40 meters in hook height and an impressive 45 to 100 ton lifting capacity. Equipped with a twin boom system, 2 massive parallel booms, the SCC6000A delivers an outstanding combination of raw power and superior stability. It is widely used in nuclear power plants, super heavy wind turbine installation, and heavy industrial construction. What makes the sany SCC6000A visually spectacular is its enormous twin boom design and its ability to lift loads that many other cranes simply cannot
Introduce the
handle.
new generation of
Number 4
PTC
is
super
the
heavy
Mammoet
lift cranes.
SK6000, the powerful Dutch ring crane with a 246-meter hook height and 3,200 tons. Featuring a 140-meter
Ja, wij zitten in het dakken, met een dakkenproject bezig, we hebben een eigen
that
team.
specializes in oil gas,
In
power
short,
plants,
Mammoet's
and
new
massive
generation
offshore
PTC
platforms.
where in the world
Its
and can
giant
operate in
ring
even the
allows
most
full
distances.
360-degree rotation with absolute stability. From afar, guarding the job site, and watching it lift thousands of tons of steel 2,800 meters high never fails to impress. Number 3 is the Liebherr LR13000, widely regarded as the world's most powerful conventional crawler crane, reaching 3 meters hook height and lifting 3,000 tons. Equipped with a 20-meter main boom plus 126-meter luffing jib, it operates without derrick ballast thanks to advanced engineering. It is frequently used for nuclear reactor installation, oil refinery modules, and ultra-heavy structures. What makes it visually spectacular is its rapid self-assembly and rock-solid performance at extreme heights. The LR13000 is the ultimate symbol of German mechanical power. Watching it work, you feel this is a machine built for jobs others wouldn't dare attempt. Number 2 is the Saren's SGC250, nicknamed Big Carl, the Belgian giant ring crane with a maximum hook height of 250 meters and 5,000 ton capacity. Featuring a 160-meter main boom plus jib, Big Carl has worked on the Hinkley Point nuclear project and many other mega structures, with 5,200 tons of counterweight and 52 containers, and 28 wheels. It moves flexibly across huge sites. What makes Big Carl visually breathtaking is its enormous ring crane steel blocks like toys. This machine has almost no rival when extreme height.
So too do our energy needs.
Finally,
As the
number
turbines
1
continue to
is the
grow and as we
Mammoet
move, proud to see how
SK6000.
actively we're.
Currently, the world's strongest land-based crane.
This crane
The
will
maximum
go
hook
into
height
an
of 274 meters
significant
and
milestone. Is
6,000
the
ton
next
capacity.
step.
Equipped with a 171 meter main
You
mast,
make the ground
it can lift
preparation.
3,000 tons
Load
between
spreaders,
20
you will
meters.
have the skid tube.
An almost unimaginable figure.
Yeah, while this might
Bij de
Designed for future
wereldspeler.
energy projects, giant wind turbines, and ultra-heavy modules that
We
no
did
other
also a
machine
side
dares to
load test
touch.
on the SK6000.